change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
Hey loungers, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today you guys, we are about to get started back on the garden. We took a few days off. We kind of been off and on working, but you guys hear those birds? Just listen. Y'all hear King bouncing the ball. But the birds are out today, y'all. But it's a beautiful day here in North Carolina. It feels so good outside. So of course we're coming out here to work on the garden. April is approaching so fast, okay? The month of March literally flew by, and we want to hurry up and get the ground tilled and leveled off so that we can go ahead and start planting our crops for the season. Luckily for us, I'm glad that we have not planted anything, because I've been seeing that the temperatures have been dropping a lot at night, so it'll probably end up killing our plants anyway. So it's kind of like we're on perfect timing at the same time. So like I said, today I think my sister's coming out. My stepdad brought this tiller out. My mom does have a tiller that she brought from her house, but we're going to try this one out and see if it works a little bit better than the one my mom brought. And we're going to try to clear all of this out now. As you guys can see, we went ahead and started digging along this line, which is where we left off in my last vlog. And if you guys can see, we are following all the way over here and then coming back up to this corner. So basically, the garden is going to go from here to down there, as you guys can see. So this entire area will be the garden, and then we'll get more down into there in the farm animals once we get this situated. I know you guys are so excited, y'all. I'm more excited than you guys about getting chickens. I've been looking into the type of chickens I feel like that we need for the farm. I'm gonna share it with my sister. But yeah, y'all, so this is what we're gonna be doing today. I'm probably gonna bring out some chalk so the kids can play, and we're gonna get some stuff done today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. My sister drew this the other day. The kids been out here drawing.
I'm gonna make you, Mom.
Let's see, Charlie probably drew this. I could bet you guys Charlie drew that. Look. Little family, so cute. I love seeing this. Then we have hopscotch right here.
We got
Rainbow and some clouds and the sun. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how far we've got today. So my sister and Carlos came over, and Carlos actually tilled this all the way down there, and I tried to like level it out before they got here, so I had like leveled it as much as I could, but we're gonna go down to this level right here all the way across. So tomorrow we're going to pick up where we left off. We got like a late start today, but it's getting done, you guys. As you guys can see, it is coming along. It's going to be a huge garden. I cannot wait to see everything put together. But yeah, so here's what we are working with. And I will tap back in with you guys tomorrow once my sister comes back out here. I'm not sure if Carlos is coming tomorrow or not, but we're going to try to get some more of this cleared out and leveled, and Like I said, my stepdad brought this and it worked like a freaking charm, y'all. Literally, you guys see how much work it did. So yeah, you guys, I guess I'll tap back in with you guys tomorrow. And yeah, we are back out here another day on the garden and farm. We're working on it, getting stuff done. I told you guys the other day that we were gonna come back out here, but it ended up raining. So it is a beautiful day. It's supposed to be 77 degrees. So we're gonna try to get so much work done. Daddy's out here helping. Yeah, so we got all hands on deck. Well, most hands on deck. I believe my mom is coming a little bit later. The bees are out, the birds are chirping, and it's a beautiful day to be doing beautiful things with my beautiful family. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up, and you guys can tune in and listen to some music and just enjoy the vibes. It's a little snake and he's all tangled up. Look at him. Look at him, y'all. Little snake. I'm scared. I probably shouldn't do that. Y'all know what type of snake this is? Look at him. He's all coiled up and he's so tiny. Oh my gosh, he's in like a knot, y'all. I want you guys to see him like uncoil. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at it. Okay, Landry, so this is where we left off. So today we were basically just trying to level everything out. As you guys can see, that's how far we got. So we will be coming back in tomorrow's video. You guys will see it tomorrow and finish up, and hopefully we can finish the entire area and have it all leveled out by the end of tomorrow's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.